Okay, imagine this. Biting into a juicy burger that was never part of a cow. Sounds like science fiction, right? But thanks to 3D printing, it's actually happening right now. Here's how it works. Instead of carving up meat from animals, plant proteins, real animal cells build meat layer by layer, like a 3D printer making plastic toys but tastier. Load the ink, soy-cultivated beef cells. Zap! Out comes a steak. Marbling, texture. Why? Well, raising livestock uses up a ton of land water. The planet could use a break. 3D printed meat cuts the environmental impact way down. Tweak the nutrients, create new flavors, steak with extra vitamins. Done. Perfectly tender burger? No problem. Not in every grocery store yet. Top chefs, food labs, tech gets better and cheaper. Replace grandma's roast beef? Maybe not tomorrow. Keep an eye on your plate. The future of food might just be printed. Would you try a 3D printed steak? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Want more wild science stories like this? Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.